Measles cases are rising in Alberta as health officials call on the province to act. Edmonton doctors say Albertans need to hear from the Chief Medical Officer of Health. The health minister says that will only happen if the situation gets worse. CTV's Chelan Skulski reports.
I'm really happy to report that we've seen no new cases in Edmonton or Calgary or North Zone.
Alberta's health minister describes today's situation as localized as measles cases continue to rise, with new data showing 1 new case in central Alberta and 2 in the south, totaling 46 across the province.
This is very localized, and when it becomes, if and when it becomes something that is more than just a localized concern, then we will absolutely make sure that the Chief Medical Officer of Health is out there.
We respectfully disagree with that statement, and I think Albertans would like to hear from a little bit more from the government.
The president of the Edmonton Zone Medical Staff Association is calling for better communication from the province, urging the minister to come up with a plan to improve vaccination rates for children 2 and under from 69 to 95%, focusing on communities with the lowest uptake, some as low as 11%.
If it carries on growing, someone's going to die from measles in Alberta.
This is really concerning that we're now starting to reach the 50 cases mark, and I have a bad feeling we're going to get past that.
Infectious disease specialist Jason Tetro says once cases surpass 50, public health officials cannot identify individual exposure locations, and says people will have to assume spread is possible in certain communities.
We got to get people starting to realize that measles is now in their community and is posing a threat.
AHS alerted the public of potential exposures yesterday at a West End Chick-fil-A restaurant and Costco. AHS says this is connected to an outbreak in the community of Two Hills east of Edmonton. That town has 14 confirmed cases, including 8 new cases since Friday. The province says no outbreaks have been linked to daycares or schools.
We do work very carefully with our school boards and the Ministry of Health to ensure that if there are a significant amount of cases at a school, that parents are duly notified.
Albertans unsure about their vaccination status are encouraged to call 811 or check My Health Records. Chelan Skulski, CTV News, Edmonton.